I've never had cauliflower this delicious. Quick and easy recipe. Let's get right into it. For this recipe, you'll need 1 whole cauliflower. Cut it into bite-sized florets. My grandma taught me this recipe, and it's a favorite at home because it's simple, quick, and incredibly tasty. Add the cauliflower to a pot and pour in enough hot water to fully cover it. Add 1/2 tablespoon of salt and give it a quick stir. Let it cook for about 10 minutes until slightly tender. Drain the cauliflower well and set it aside. In a large pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt over medium heat. Add 3 cloves of garlic minced. Add 3 tablespoons of chopped green onions. Stir everything together until fragrant. Now add the cooked cauliflower. Mix well and let it cook for about 5 minutes, allowing it to get lightly golden. While the cauliflower is cooking, crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Mix until fully combined. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like and follow for more quick and delicious ideas like this. Where are you watching from today? Let me know in the comments. Today's shout out goes to Emily Johnson from San Diego, California. Thanks for the support. Pour the eggs over the cauliflower and gently stir continuously for about 5 minutes. Make sure you don't stop stirring at this stage so the eggs cook evenly and don't stick to the pan. Have you ever tried cauliflower like this? It's seriously delicious. This dish is packed with flavor, simple ingredients, and comes together so easily. I'm going to add a little more green onions on top because I love the flavor it adds. It's hard to believe something this quick can taste this good. Thanks for being here today. See you in the next recipe. Enjoy.